In this video, I'd like to show you how to use Audacity to add music that goes throughout your audio. And so in order to do this, you want to make sure that you've already added music to a track that you would like to have music. And so here in Audacity, I have my main track, which has students talking about what the word respect means to them. You need to make sure that you edit this track first because you're going to be shortening this track. And so you want to make sure that your music is exactly as long as it needs to be. And so you can see I've already added this music from Purple Planet, and it's not long enough. And so this is what my music sounds like. And I'm going to mute the top one. Okay, so it's just kind of repetitive music and it's not long enough, but I like this music, and so I want to continue to have this music go throughout my audio. And so I could have the music like start and stop. So if I select the whole thing and I copy it, I can zoom in and I can have the music start again right here. And so you need to make sure that you copy the whole thing. So what I didn't do is I didn't make sure that I copied my whole track. And so this is what it sounds like right now. I'm just going to play right here. And so it fades out and then stops and then just starts again. So I'm going to do Control Z to undo that. And I want to make sure that I'm at the beginning of my track. I have the whole thing and I'm going to copy it, and then I want it to kind of start over right here. So I'm going to paste it, so just click right here and Control V, and so here's my music starts again, but I don't want it to fade out, so I'm going to get rid of this. I'm just going to delete it. And so what you might need to do is you might need to listen to this section. And so there it got kind of weird, and so I want to zoom in. And I can see right here that this is where the music kind of changes. And so I think I actually got it in the wrong place. Right there. Right there was where it got kind of weird. So what you can do is you can zoom in even more, and you can have this fade in and fade out using your envelope tool. And so I want from between here and here, and I want to bring this down a little bit. And so it just kind of goes in and comes right back out. So we don't want it silent. Sometimes you need to zoom in to use your envelope tool. Okay, and so we're going to listen to this. And so it's not such a big jump from before. And so what you're basically going to do is just do that over and over again. If you want to select the whole thing and just have it start over and stop again, you can do that, but you need to make sure that no time in your music is there, or in your audio is there no music at all. So you could have it fade out and fade back in. Here I just moved over so that I'm right here at the end of the song, and then I can paste again. And so it should fade out and then it can fade back in, and you'll just want to make it last the entire time of your audio. You can also like change the music, so you could just get a different track and you could have it be this song and then switch to another song.